The All Progressives Congress APC on Wednesday told the Presidential Election Petition Court that it would not participate in the whipping of dead horses as it declined to open defense in the petition of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and its presidential candidate Abubakar Atiku, challenging the conduct and declaration in the February 25 presidential election. APC, through its lead counsel, Prince Lateef Olasunkanmi Fagbemi SAN, said that there was absolutely nothing to defend in the separate petitions of the Labour Party and the PDP. The senior lawyer decided not to open defense in Atiku's petition after cross-examining the Senate Majority Leader, Michael Opeyemi Bamidele, the star witness to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Fagbemi had subjected Senator Bamidele to rigorous questioning, during which the witness, who is a legal practitioner, admitted that Tinubu's election cannot be reversed on the strength of his forfeiture of $460,000 to the United States of America, USA, through a court order. While responding to Fagbemi's questions, the witness held that Tinubu was not prosecuted, indicted, or sentenced for any criminal charges by any American court, adding that civil forfeiture cannot take the place of criminal trial and conviction. The witness further stated that as far as the criminal indictment is concerned, Bola Ahmed Tinubu has a clean bill of health because he was never indicted and convicted by any American court. Responding to further questions, the Senate Majority Leader claimed to have known President Tinubu for more than 35 years as a bona fide Nigerian citizen by birth. However, after reviewing the evidence of the witness, and it was time for APC to open defense, Fagbemi said, "Having taken a sober reflection of the entire case, we have enough evidence and we are not calling any witness. We do not intend to whip dead horses. We announce the closure of the case of the third respondent." Earlier, the Senate Majority Leader had told the Presidential Election Petition Court that President Bola Tinubu does not need to score 25% of votes cast in FCT to be declared winner of the February 25 election. The witness, who was cross-examined by Tayo Jegede SAN, counsel to Atiku and PDP, said although Abuja is the federal capital of Nigeria, it has no special status other than that. When asked if the committee reports on the location of FCT recommended a special status for FCT, the witness admitted that FCT is a symbol of unity and maintained that other state capitals such as Kano, Ibadan, Enugu and others are also centers of unity. He agreed with the petitioner's counsel that President Tinubu scored 19.4% in total votes cast in FCT. When told that Tinubu emerged as the first president to be declared without scoring 25% votes in FCT and not winning his home state, the witness said it did not matter. According to the witness, the judgment of the U.S. court on the forfeiture of $460,000 has Tinubu's name, but not as a criminal suspect, but as civil proceedings, insisting that it was civil forfeiture and not a criminal forfeiture. Under further cross-examination by counsel to APC, Prince Lateef Fagbemi SAN, the witness agreed that there cannot be a conviction without a charge, trial, indictment and conviction. The witness said by the judgment of the Federal High Court Abuja, in a suit filed by the Labour Party against INEC on the mode of collation of election results, held that INEC is at liberty to use any mode of collation it deems fit. After the testimony of President Tinubu's sole witness, Chief Wole Olanipekun SAN, announced the closure of Tinubu's defense, while Lateef Fagbemi SAN announced for APC. Meanwhile, the court has given the respondents 10 days to file their final written addresses, the petitioner 7 days to respond, and 5 days to reply on point of law. Parties will be communicated on the date to adopt the final written addresses. That's according to the presiding justice of the Presidential Election Petition Court, Justice Haruna Samani.